Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing great at home. Okay kids, in today's video we are going to discuss about Indian groups of islands. What are islands? Island is a piece of land surrounded by water from all the sides. Right? And there are many islands, many small islands, but there are only two groups of islands along the coastal plains of India, and these are Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. Now, we are going to learn about these two islands in detail one by one. Now, let us start with Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Island is a union territory of India and Port Blair is its capital. It is a group of 572 isles, that means small islands. It is a group of 572 small islands, and out of this only 38 islands are inhabited islands. Means only 38 islands of island group have people living on them. It is located in Bay of Bengal. Look here in this map. This is Andaman and Nicobar Island. It is located in the Bay of Bengal and are like arc in which Andaman group is located. Towards the north it is Andaman and towards the south is Nicobar. This part is known as Nicobar, and the southernmost tip, this particular last point, is known as Indira Point. It got submerged under the sea in the year 2004. And one more important thing about this island is that these islands became the part of India in 1956, and these islands are volcanic in origin. Means only active volcano in India is Barren Island, which is located here in Andaman and Nicobar groups of island. It was last erupted in the year 2005, that is May 2005, and known as Barren Island. Is it clear? Next comes Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Islands are close to the Malabar coast of India, and these are about 43 islands. Look here in this map. This is Malabar coast, and here Lakshadweep group of island is located. These all islands are having flat surface, and most of the people living here are either farmers or fishermen. Kavaratti is the main capital of this union territory. And do you know, these inhabited islands are coral islands. These are coral islands. Coral islands are the islands formed from the skeleton of small marine animals called polyps. And the main crop grown here is coconut, and the people used to speak here Malayalam. And the islands, both the islands, Lakshadweep and Andaman Islands, are famous for their scenic beauty. Now let us talk about the life in islands. Most of the islands are covered with thick forest. Both Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep group of islands are covered with thick forest. The people of these islands live their old and traditional way of life. Barren Island is the only active volcano, which I have already told you. And do you know that at the time when Britishers were ruling India, at that time most of the freedom fighters were kept in a jail which is located in Andaman and Nicobar group of island known as Cellular Jail. And our Indian freedom fighters were kept here in this jail. Look here, this is Cellular Jail. And these islands were also known as Kala Pani just because of this central jail. This is one of the historical monument of this island. So kids, that's all for today. We have completed our chapter. Thank you.